Today we're checking out these OE Rebel style LED taillights with black housings and red clear lenses for the 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500s. If you're looking to give your Ram a more aggressive look with enhanced lighting clarity, this taillight brings OE style and visibility back to your Ram. This taillight mimics the factory Rebel LED design, giving you that rugged, bold appearance straight out of the box. These are sold separately so you can easily refresh your truck if you have just one broken or malfunctioning taillight, but just keep that in mind that these are sold separately on the site. The crisp red and clear lens combo gives sharp, modern styling, and the black housing adds a little bit of contrast, especially on lighter truck colors, helping your Ram stand out or just match that factory Rebel look. Because it's made for the Ram 1500s with those factory LED taillights without blind spot sensors, there is a clean plug-and-play compatibility, so you get a fixed taillight with no hassle on the wiring and the fit that aligns with the factory mounting points. Built with OE style materials, the assembly includes a sealed housing to keep moisture and dirt out, preserving light clarity, preventing fogging over time, and the lens materials are designed to handle that UV exposure without yellowing or getting hazy over time like those stockers tend to do. All connections are designed to match the factory plug types for a clean install, which if you stick with me, we'll show you that here in a minute. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that low $200 price range for a single tail light. Considering its LED technology and the Rebel matching style and the OEM fit, it's still a solid value for LED technology in the tails. The installation is getting rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 30 minutes of your time. Now let's see exactly how that install process goes with a quick video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers.
These are tools I'm going to use. I actually use 2 pry tools so I can get both of them and get it out. Screwdriver makes getting the electrical clips off, and then just a little handheld whatever with the T25. That's the bit right there. And these are the 2 that we're going to be putting in. So I'm going to work on the passenger side or the driver's side first. What I'm going to do is, I don't know if you saw that earlier, it's got a clip right here. In order to get to one of the clips, you want to take that off. I've taken them off a bunch of times, or just bend it back a little bit. It's right there. And this is what I was talking about. The clip right here. So it kind of folds up a little bit. So you want to get in right there. And this is where I was saying that getting them off with, it just comes right out. Let's see what it looks like. Sometimes this is easier with 2. Well, this one actually came right out. Piece of cake. Another one down here. Same thing. You get in here. This is what I mean. Sometimes it's easier with 2. Get behind it. Pull it out. Okay. Now you just have 1, 2 little bolts. Take it out. Out, keep it right there. This guy, come over here, you see how this is? That's it. This little rubber gasket here is actually attached right to the car. This thing, pull out, usually looks like that. And this is a pain in sometimes where the screwdriver comes in handy. Come in here, pull it out. Now this is a trick here. This part right here presses down. You gotta press that down in order to, I don't know if you can see it, right in here, by pressing this down on this side. it raises it over here and allows it to clear that clip right there. So that's what's actually holding it in. Now, if you can't get to it easily when you're removing it, you can always take this thing off a little bit, twist it, and get a screwdriver in there because it kind of moves a little bit. So that's off. Take the new one. Now this is nice and new. Normally I would put some diode grease or whatever that stuff is called. Pop it right in there. Hold on. There you go. Hear that click? Didn't see that. Pop it right in there. That's all ready to go. And then you got this right here. You got this prong, and this prong goes right in there. Goes right in there. Line it up. Give it a little push in. And ram. Until the rubber seal is in. Make sure you got the threads, get it lined up there so you can get the threads in. And then right over here. There you go. Put this clip back in here. There you go. Comes off and pop that back in. And this guy right here. Just like that. Then pop this back up here. Make sure you get that clip, not this. I made the mistake a couple times of doing that. That is the latch for the tailgate. This is what you want to attach it to right there. So now that that's attached, I'm gonna go over to this side. And this one, actually those things I must have lost them. So I've changed. Actually, the reason I'm holding these out, I'll probably show you this. I've had LED bulbs. There you go. See that? The LED bulbs, and they burn out quick. Not a big fan of them. Seems like I'm replacing them every 6 months, so I said, forget it. I'm just gonna replace it with an actual, honest to God, LED light. So that's why those things have actually, I've done this a bunch of times. That's why they're gone. But you see this? See, now that I'm on this side, I took this clip off so the whole tailgate doesn't drop. And I can just take one off. Another one off. And put it over here. And take this off now. Here, get right in here. You can see this dirt right in here. It's not a bad idea to get that cleaned off while you got this thing apart. So now, I'm gonna take this. Yep, see, that's what I was talking about. See, if you're having a hard time, you can, this clip comes off and get a screwdriver right in there. So, give me that flathead. Okay, got that guy out. And again, gotta press this in here, pop it off. See if we can see it. This side we can see better. Let's see, when you press it in, it goes up right there and clears that little notch. That's the pain. I think that's the biggest pain about doing these lights. This guy, put it right in, make sure you're lined up right. Click right there. Slide it in so it's nice and secure. Line the prongs up. Pop it in like that. Hold it in place while you're getting the screws back in. Don't over tighten it. No reason to do that, just, snug. And last that right there. That's it.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the OE Rebel Style LED taillight with black housings and red clear lenses for the 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.